Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today is all about the sweet tooth, and this episode starts right now. Guys, I'm back, and as I mentioned, today it's all about the sweet tooth. Today I'm making my famous pecan pie cookies. You guys, this is so yum. We're gonna start with a stick of butter and a tablespoon. So that would be equivalent. 1 stick of butter is half a cup. With adding a tablespoon makes it 3/4 of a cup. So remember, you guys, when baking, I measure everything. I don't eyeball anything. It's all about math. If you have a lot of company over, you can always double your recipe. So we'll start with that, with our wet ingredients. I have some softened butter. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. That's right, a teaspoon of pure vanilla. 1 teaspoon. All right. Now we are going to add, let me grab my little napkin here. 1 egg. Always check your egg, you guys, like I always say. 1 egg. It passed the test. It is beautiful. Drop our egg in there. And now you're going to add 2 cups of brown sugar. And we're going to take on medium. Go ahead and lift my baby up. Put him on medium. Put her on medium. And what we're going to do, that's good. And what we're going to do is we're going to cream our wet ingredients. When I come back, I'll have my dry ingredients ready, which will be 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. So you guys, stay with me. You don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and we are done creaming our ingredients. It's beautiful. It'll cream it up. You don't want to over cream it. So now I have my 2 cups of flour, my teaspoon of baking powder, and my pinch of salt. This is like a basic sugar cookie, but you would normally use white sugar. I'm going to put half of it, and I'm going to turn it on low because I don't want to, if you put it on high, that flour is going to fly up and it's going to, it'll bathe you in it, so it'll cover you in it rather. Okay. Ooh, it smells so good. I love baking. I love baking, and these cookies are going to be so delicious. You're going to love it. Alright, so now I'm going to put the other half of this. And then we have our tiny bit left, which I will just go ahead and plop in there. I'll speed it up a little bit once it starts combining, so it'll combine all the way. Wow, look at that. Can't wait till you see this, you guys. I'm going to show you as soon as it's done. I will definitely show you as soon as this is done. Now we're going to slow it down to pour the rest. This is so easy to make and so delicious. And there you have it. I forgot to mention previously that set your oven at 350 degrees. We'll preheat it at 350. And you'll need a cookie sheet. And of course non-stick spray, because to me everything sticks. So, alright, let me get this baby out of here and show you. Wow, look at that, guys. Your basic, typical cookie dough mix. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back on my normal side where I always cook. That other side felt kind of strange. I know at the beginning when I started my cooking channel, I would always use that side. And for now, use this side. Now here, as I showed you before, is our batter. What I'm gonna grab is a cookie. I'm gonna grab a small ice cream scoop that I have here. You all know, to me, everything sticks. I'll tell you. I'm gonna spray my beautiful cookie sheet. I'm surprised I didn't put any foil. And I'm going to spray your ice cream scoop. So that way the dough comes out and doesn't stick. Great tip. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you on the cookie sheet. We're going to scoop them all with a small scoop real quick. And then I'm going to show you with the back of my big ice cream scoop how we're going to indent it in the middle and add the pecan filling, pecan pie filling. Oh my God. So delish. Yum, yum, yum. All right, let's do that. And I'm taking some of these to work. My friends are already waiting for them at work. They know I told them already I was going to bring it, so yum, yum. So I'm going to put the rest of these on my cookie sheet. And when I come back, you guys, I'm going to show you how I add the filling. We're going to put this, such an easy recipe. We're going to put these cookies in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes, and that's it. I'm going to take them out, and they're beautiful. So you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. You are not going to believe what I did. You know, I'm always honest with you guys. I had my mix with my ½ cup of brown sugar, chopped, instead of the pecans, I realized that I had grabbed a bag of almonds. So I redid it, and it's with the pecans now with the ½ cup of brown sugar and a ¼ cup of heavy cream. I grabbed my ice cream scoop, and I put a little piece of foil on it. And this is my little gadget that's puncturing. Look at that, you guys. Look at this, watch. Look at the little thumbprints with the back of the ice cream scoop. That is where our filling is going to be. Oh my God, how easy, watch. Watch this, guys. Very lightly like that, a little pole, so we can fit our filling. They won't be perfectly round, that's okay. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. So when I come back, before I put these in the oven, I'm going to finish them all off, and I'm going to show you what it looks like before it goes in the oven, you guys. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back for a minute, and I want you to see, oh my God, how easy was that? Watch this. Check that out. Look at those babies. You see them? Look at that. How beautiful these small pecan pie cookies. Look at that. How beautiful. For 8 to 12 minutes, they're going to come out and let them cool for a minute. I'm going to taste them. And you guys, the holidays are approaching. We're living in tough times now, but we can still celebrate the holidays with our loved ones. We can package these cookies and we can send them out to our family. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back and we are ready to taste. Oh my God, it smells like a bakery in this house. I'm surprised my boys, my husband and my son have not barged into this kitchen. Oh, speaking of, you see, oh, here comes the other one too. Hi, honey. Hi, guys. Okay, you guys, so these are my beautiful pecan pie cookies. Wow, they're so good. Since you guys are here, do you guys want to try it with me?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so grab one. Grab a napkin, please. A napkin each. I'm very picky about messes, so. All right, so grab yourself a cookie.
This one.
Okay, honey, grab yourself a cookie.
Thank you.
And I will grab myself a cookie as well. So, before we taste this cookie, I want to show you the inside of this cookie. Look at that. Look at all that pecan pie filling. Oh my God. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Try together? Cheers, guys. All right, here goes nothing. Okay.
Mm. That's good,
Oh.
baby. That's damn good. That's good. I love it.
Oh God.
It's really good.
So you see, These beautiful cookies. I'm gonna try it again. Just to make sure.
Good, baby.
So, you'll notice. Good. So good.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. One great thing about these cookies is that they're not extremely sweet.
They're not.
Right? Perfect.
Real good.
So, remember you guys.
Number one. Number one.
Remember you guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And don't forget to comment. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, feel free to subscribe, but don't forget the notification bell. And from my family to yours, as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Hey, and by the way, don't forget the bell so you don't miss an episode. We will be back. I'll be back. We send you all love from my family to yours. Take good care. Bye-bye.
Bye.